The clown collar stitch or the clown ruff stitch is a beautiful variation of the running stitch family. It is a kind of weaving done over a base of 2 parallel rows of running stitches, reminding of the ruff collars of mime clowns. The reason why I christened the stitch as such. Begin by making 2 rows of the running stitch. You might have to elongate the stitch when the line bulges and shorten it when it caves in. This is to compensate for the space that is created, or the lack thereof. Both the rows must be stepped, which means the second row will take the stitches under the gaps of the first stitch, or the first row. This is much easier to do if the rows are straight. Working on curves is not difficult but can take a couple of tries. Once the base rows are done, take another thread and pass under the first 2 stitches of both the rows. Be careful to not plug the fabric under. Now take a turn and pass it under the working stitch and the next stitch on the other row. Turn around and pass under the working stitch and the next stitch. Going under the working stitch keeps the threads well woven in place. Continue this for the entire row till the end. Using a thick thread will help to create a dense and textured look. Either way, this stitch is a super fun and easy way to use on borders and edges. Try it out. Also, do check the links in the description to support us by either buying our ebook or becoming our patron. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.